Okay, first thing, make sure you try to not do the exit ticket anymore before you finish this, because that'll probably make the exit ticket way easier after you do Tower of Power, because usually the problems are pretty similar. I'll go through the rest of this problem and hopefully that'll help. If it does not, let me know. We can try something else. So I already accidentally did the one. It just asked, is the number of the ones in each mixed number the same? So yes, they're both 5. So yes, they're the same. Next thing, the ones are the same. So now we can compare just the fractions. So we're only comparing 5/8 and 3/4 right now. So create a tape diagram representing 5/8. So I split it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this part here is what shades in the 5. So we gotta do, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we wanna do 5 of them. There's that part. Okay, the second fraction, 3/4, so we have to split it into fourths. And then we want 3 of them filled in. Okay, so now comparing 5/8 and 3/4, which one had more filled in? If you don't remember, you can scroll back up here and look at both your fractions. If you look at them kind of right next to each other, 3/4 has a little bit more shaded in than 5/8, so 3/4 is going to be greater. Remember, it always eats the bigger one.